this is the WENOKER stationary spin bike. It's got an iPad stand, phone stand, and it's got its own display.
Today we're going to be assembling it, testing it out. My mom is definitely not as hardcore as I am when it comes to the exercising, but as much as she's putting in, just look how whisper quiet this magnetic bike is. Stay tuned for the whole video.
So today we're going to assemble this WENOKER spin bike. You did get everything required to assemble it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the base on the back. This part with the wheels is going to go for the front. When you remove these, there will be a tube here you don't need. You have 4 screws, 2 go on the back side and the other 2 go on the front side. And stick this over top of here. The washers are going to go on top. So now we're going to do the front, same thing, and we'll just tighten that up. Let's grab our handlebar. Now you can see that there's different levels of adjustments based on how high you want it. This only goes in one way. Make sure that the holes are on the outside. So that way when you press this in, there's a way to lock and adjust it. Take your handlebar knob and simply tighten it up. I wish this was like a snap though, because you do have to unscrew it. It's not very difficult to change it. Let's undo these ones with an Allen key. Place your handlebars over, tighten your bolts. Take your seat post, tighten the knob. Take the seat slider and tighten it up. Place the seat down, tighten the seat. Grab your foot pedals. Pedals go counterclockwise. They're specifically designed to grab your shoe. So this will jab into the soles and it will grip it. So you're not gonna slip out if you're really trying to pedal really quickly. Take these tools and adjust the pedals, adjust the seat here, tighten these up if it comes loose. So I wish there was a way to basically store these somewhere like underneath or something. Take your LED monitor, bring this to the front, put this on, put 2 provided batteries in, connect this. This is your iPad holder.
By not having a fancy digital screen or a tablet included with the bike, you're saving yourself tons of money. When you're starting to work out, put on the TV, load up a fitness video, and you're good to go.
So here is the bike.
The bike has wheels in the front so you can move it from room to room quite easily. There's a water bottle holder right on the bike and it weighs about 60 to 70 pounds. And to be honest, this magnetic spin bike looks like something you'd see at a brand new condo gym.
To change the difficulty, you just tighten this way. And immediately this is going to get a lot harder, almost impossible. So you don't have a lot to turn in order to get tougher resistance.
Handlebars are premium grip and you can measure your pulse by holding onto them.
So let's go turn this on. You got your reset button, your mode, and then your set. So let's go through our modes. You're on calories. All right. You got your time, speed, kilometers per hour, distance covered, your odometer, and then your calorie count. You can see there's a scanning function. So when you put your hand, it's going to pick up on the pulse. It's going to take maybe 30 seconds, but you're going to see it automatically. There you go. So that's your heart rate right there.
Oh yeah?
You want to set a goal for calories. So you want to burn 500 calories on this spin cycle. And that's your goal. And as soon as you start pedaling, it's going to start counting down. So that means that when this is done, regardless of the tension or not, you're going to burn 500 calories. So you could do the same thing for time. We have to reset this. So now when we go to our time, we can go and set this, and then we start pedaling, and then it's gonna start counting down. So now you know for 40 minutes, you're gonna be biking. We keep it right here in behind in our closet. So a great companion. And then all we do.
But notice how I'm staying low and digging. Come on. Okay, let's go back to the 4 count jump. Hang on. That's what. Are we good? Are we good? Woo. 45 seconds or 40 seconds to our next Tabata. Something like that. Okay. So here, this is your...
All right guys, so if you're looking for a pretty good bike for the house, you may want to consider this brand. Like I said, I wanted to test this out before we got the rowing machine, but we're gonna get the rowing machine. I definitely love the way this looks. It's gonna be perfect for my gym. It's got decent resistance levels, and honestly, it's about half the price of any other bike that's got similar stuff. Yeah, there's a little bit of knobs here. You have to turn instead of snap and lock like some of the $1,000, $1,500 spin bikes out there, but that's a small price to pay for a bike with all this. Look-wise, it's just so sexy. Great addition to my set, so now I can just put the bike here when I'm not using it.
I let my elderly parents use the bike. They loved it so much, they basically gave up their gym membership, so now I gotta get another one. My mom is definitely not as hardcore as I am when it comes to the exercising, but as much as she's putting in, just look how whisper quiet this magnetic bike is.
Good workout. See you guys on the next one.